Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay magsasagot ako ng problem set sa analytic geometry. Let's start with item number 1. Find the equation of the circle with center at 4, -3 and radius of 5 units. Write the equation in center radius form and in general equation. Ang equation ng circle ay dalawa. Isang center radius form o yung tinatawag nating standard equation at the general equations. So, i-denote natin ang center radius form as CRF, ang standard equation as SE, at general equation as GE. The first thing we need to do is analyze muna natin yung mga given natin. Given tayo ng center, then ang center ay 4, -3. We all know na ang 4 ay h, then ang k is -3. And then given din tayo ng radius, which is 5 units. Therefore, r is equal to 5. Ang una natin isosolve ay yung center radius form or standard equation. Sa standard equation, ang kailangan is h, k, at r. Dahil ang standard equation ng circle is the quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Isa-substitute natin yung h, k, at r. Ito ay magiging the quantity of x minus 4 squared plus the quantity of y minus -3 squared is equal to 5 squared. Then, isimplify natin, itong x minus 4 squared is as is na x minus 4 squared, y plus 3 squared, at ang 5 squared is 25. Therefore, this is our center radius form or the standard equation. Next, masosolve natin ang general equation kapag in-expand natin itong standard equation into this format. We have ax squared plus ay squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. Ito yung format ng GE. So, ang gagawin natin is, from this standard equation, i-expand natin yung x minus 4 squared. That is the quantity of x squared minus 8x plus 16. Then yung y plus 3 squared, i-expand natin, siya ay magiging y squared plus 6y plus 9. Then is equal to 25. Then, pwede nating tanggalin yung grouping symbol kasi addition naman yung ating operation. We have x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 is equal to 25. And then, pag sama-samahin natin lahat ng terms sa left side, kaya yung 25 ay itatranspose natin dito magiging minus 25. So, ito ngayon ay magiging minus 25 is equal to 0. Then, i-rewrite natin yung ating equation into this format. Una muna yung x squared, followed by y squared, followed by variable x, negative 8x, followed by variable y plus 6y. Then, isi-simplify natin yung mga constant na 16, 9, at negative 25. So, that is 16 plus 9 minus 25. Ang 16 plus 9 minus 25 is 0. Therefore, ang ating equation ay x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y is equal to 0. Ito ngayon yung ating general equation. Ito ang standard equation. Ito ang general equation.